Namaste, dear students. How are you all? Hope you people are doing good. And welcome back to the online classes on quantitative techniques. So today I'm continuing 2 mark questions. As I said, today we are going to discuss the problems with the loss, that is loss of indices, how the loss will be applied while solving the problem. So that we are going to learn today. Okay. So this is also a 2 marks problems only I'm solving. So we have so far done with 18 problems. So I'm starting with the next problem, that is 19th problem. Problem number 19. So the question is, find the value of a to the power of 2 to the power 0. A to the power 2 to the power 0. See, while teaching the laws of indices, I have made it very clear. So in the sixth law, of indices, I was very clear. That is, you can refer once again. A to the power 0 is equal to always 1. Okay, so a to the power 0 is equal to 1. So that I have already told you while teaching the law. So now here, what is the problem? 2 to the power 0. A to the power 2, 2 to the power 0 has been given. So 2 to the power 0 value is how much? Yes, how much? 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1. When a to the power 0 is equal to 1, then 2 to the power 0 is equal to is also 1. So, therefore, the value of a to the power 2 to the power 0, that is equal to a to the power 1. So, the ultimate answer is a to the power 1. Okay? Clear? Yes. Okay, so next I'm moving on to the problem number 20th. Problem number 20th. So here the problem is, find the value. Find the value of 4 to the power 3 to the power 2 and 4 to the power 3 whole power 2. Okay, so now here also I have already told you what a law to be applied in such a case and how it should be, done. So you all remember or not? What kind of law to be applied here? So find the value of 4 to the power 3 to the power 2. So that is when the powers are given separately. When the powers are given separately, how we are going to calculate? When the powers are given separately, how the calculation will be done? That means 2 powers. So that is 4 to the power 3 to the power 2. So how we are going to solve it? So which is the law we are going to apply there? Can you remember? Yes, no? Yes? Okay. So in such a case, here 4 to the power 3 to the power 2. So that is first 3 threes are. Directly we multiply 3 threes are. Okay. So now I am going to solve this first one. Find the value of 4 to the power 3 to the power 2. So I am taking it as a 4 to the power 3 to the power 2. So that will be converted into what? So that is 3 threes are 9. That is equals to 4 to the power 9. 4 to the power 9. So the answer for this 4 to the power 9. Okay. So next I am moving towards B. So that is 4 to the power 3 whole power 2. So when this whole power comes, so you have to apply which formula, which law you have to apply. That is a to the power m whole power n. Correct. So what we do here, a to the power m into n. Correct. M into n. So now do the same thing. So for 4 to the power 3 to the power 2, that is whole power 2. So what you are going to do now? That is 4 to the power 3 into 2. Correct. So in the next step, how much you will get? So 3 2s are 6. So answer is 4 to the power 6. 4 to the power 6. 4 to the power 6. So that is when this comes m into n. So that is m into n, 4 to the power 3 into 2. 4 3 3 2s are 6. So answer is 4 to the power 6. Any confusion? No, right? Fine. So next I am moving further on problem number 21. Problem number 21, which is the greater. So we have to identify the greater value. So that is which is the greater. Which is the greater value. So that is 5 to the power 2 whole power 3 or 5 to the power 2 to the power 3. 5 to the power 2 to the power 3. Okay. So now how you are going to do it? This direct multiplication. Correct. This is direct multiplication and this 3 times multiplication. That is 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. 2 should be multiplied by 3 times. Here direct multiplication, because here we are applying this law, that is a to the power m into n, that is m into n. So directly we are applying this. Okay. So therefore a, first let us do for a, 5 to the power 2 to the power whole power 3. Correct. 5 to the power 2 whole power 3. So next line, simplify that. 5 to the power 2 into 3. So 2 3s are how much? 6. So that is equals to 5 to the power 6. 2 3s are 6. Okay. So next I have to do it for B. So B, you have to go for B now. So B, what is the question they have given? 5 to the power 2 to the power 3. Correct. So 5 to the power 2 to the power 3. 5 to the power 2 to the power 3. So 2 should be multiplied by 3 times. So that is 2 into 2 into 2. So that is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So the answer is 5 to the power 8. 5 to the power 8. So now which one is greater? Therefore 5 to the power 2 to the power 3 is equal to 5 to the power 8 is greater. Understood? It is easy, right? Yes. So now you are able to understand, right? So you also should practice such kind of problems without fail. Okay. So let us move towards next problem. Let us move towards next problem. So that is problem number 21. Problem number 21. Yes. So problem number 21. So the problem is show that a to the power 0.25 whole power 4 divided by a to the power 4 to the power 0 is equal to 1. So now we have to prove this. So that is, show that a to the power 0.25 whole power 4 that divided by a to the power 4 to the power 0 is equal to 1. So we have to prove this. So now, which law are you going to do it? So which law are you going to apply? So that is most important. Okay. So here two different laws we have to apply. Remember, two different laws we have to apply. So the laws which we are going to apply, I will write it here so that you will also get an idea. So law here I am going to apply a to the power m whole power n. Okay. So divided by a to the power 4 to the power 0 is there. So that is 4 should be multiplied by 0 times. So that you have to do it. Okay. So that you have to apply that particular law. Okay. So that is a to the power 4 to the power 0. So now this should be equals to 1, that we have to prove now. Okay. So let us consider this as a RHS, that is right hand side, and this is LHS, left hand side. LHS left hand side, because that comes to your left hand side and this comes to your right hand side. So your right hand side, RHS means right hand side, LHS means left hand side. Okay. So first we have to do the calculation part. Okay. So first let us take LHS, that is left hand side. LHS I am taking. So take down a to the power 0.25 whole power 4. Correct. Whole power 4. So that means 0.25 into 4. So you have to do it multiplication. A to the power 0.25 into 4. So calculate 0.25 into 4. How much you will get? A to the power 1. Correct? A to the power 1. Yes? No? Yes, right? Fine. So now let us take this RHS, that is right hand side. So LHS done, we are moving towards RHS now. Okay, so let us, that also will keep it under visibility so that you don't get confusion. So RHS value is what? A to the power 4 to the power 0. Correct? Fine. So 4 to the power 0, that is always equals to what? 4 to the power 0, any power, that is, check out law number 6 again. So any power, if that is the 0, that is equals to 1. So 4 to the power 0 is equal to 1. So that means what? A to the power is equal to 1. Okay. A to the power is equal to 1. So now divide this. So divide this. That is, he says that this should be divided by this. So the answer of LHS is a to the power 1 and RHS is a to the power 1. Okay. So what I can do is now, I'll write it here. LHS divided by RHS. So what is the answer you got from LHS? A to the power 1, correct? A to the power 1 divided by, what is the answer you got from RHS? A to the power 1. So divide this a to the power 1 divided by a to the power 1, that is equals to 1. So I have proved that as they have asked. So we have to show that. So we have shown and proved it. Okay. So this is again one more problem. So if you don't understand, watch this again and again 2 to 3 times so that you will get to know that and you can understand very well. Okay. Fine. So let us move to the next problem. Okay. Let us move to the next problem. So that is problem number 22. Problem number 22. So that says find the value of 16 to the power 3 divided by 4. So I have to find the value of 16 to the power 3 divided by 4. So then I have to find the value. So I have to reduce 16, correct, to the power. So how do we do it? With the help of LCM. You all know, right, LCM? So now find the LCM for 16. 8 2s are 16, correct. 2 4s are 8. Then 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2. So how many 2s we got here? 1 2 3 4. So how many? 4 powers. Okay, so that is equals to 2 to the power 4 whole power 3 divided by 4. So the regular formula, what law we are going to apply? This should be multiplied by this. So 2 to the power 4 into 3 divided by 4. So since 4 4 common, so we are going to cancel this 4 4. So then the left out is 2 to the power 3. That is the answer. So if you multiply 2 to the power 3, so how much you are going to get the answer? So that is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So the ultimate answer is 8. The ultimate answer is 8. So I am done with problem number 22. So let us move towards next problem without any further delay. I believe you people are able to understand. So if you have any doubt, make a note of such kind of doubts. So then we'll have one call. So that is a doubt clearance session where I can clarify all your doubts without any issues. So next I'm moving on to the problem number 23. Problem number 23. That is, the problem is 125 to the power 2 divided by 3. 125 to the power 2 divided by 3. So obviously what you are supposed to do now? LCM. Do it? Do it? Yes. So you have to do the LCM. So LCM, I'm going here. So 125. So obviously you all know that whenever 25 or 5 comes, so that will be multiplied by always 5. So 5 25s are 125, then 5 5s are 25, then 5 1s are 5. So that is equals 5 to the power 3. So what is the value? LCM value of 125? That is 5 to the power 3, correct? So that is equals to 125 to the power 2 divided by 3. That when we convert into the LCM, 5 to the power 3 whole power 2 divided by 3. Okay, so next multiply, because m into n, so that is 5 to the power 3 into 2 divided by 3. So 3 3 gets cancelled here. So the left out is 5 to the power of 2. 5 to the power of 2. Correct? 5 to the power of 2. So then what is the value of 5 to the power of 2? Check out. 5 into 5, 2 times. So 5 5s are 25. Easy, right? These kind of problems you're going to get for 2 marks in your examination. Okay, so fine. So let us move to the next problem. So I'm moving to the problem number 24. Problem number 24. So that is, find the value of find the value of 9 to the power 3 divided by 2. 9 to the power 3 divided by 2. So now find the LCM for 9. 9 always goes from what? 3. 3 table. So that is 3 3s are 9. Then what? 3 1s are 3. So how many times 3 you have multiplied? 2. So 3 to the power 2 is the LCM value, correct? 3 to the power 2 is the LCM value. So now the 9 to the power 3 divided by 2, when we convert it into LCM value, when we consider LCM value, so that will become like 3 to the power 2 whole power 3 divided by 2. So now m into n, so I am going to apply m into n, so that is 3 to the power 2 into 3 divided by 2. So 2 gets cancelled, 3 left out, so that answer is 3 to the power 3. So 3 to the power 3 is how much? Yes, that is 1, 2, 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So ultimate answer is 27. Okay. So I believe clear with this. So further I am moving on to the problem number 25. Problem number 25. Okay. So 25th problem. Now find the value of root 16. Find the value of root 16. Okay, so the value for this, you know the law which we have to apply. Nth root is a, that is how we write the value, a to the power 1 divided by n. So this law 1 divided by n, this law we are supposed to apply for this. So now let us apply this law. So that is when I remove this root, that is root 16, when I remove this root, so that becomes 16 divided by 16 to the power 1 divided by 2. Correct? 16 to the power 1 divided by 2. Okay, so now what I am supposed to do now, I have to find the LCM for 16. So I always says that whenever you do LCM, you start with the smaller number. So 2 8s are 16, then 2 4s are 8, then 2 2s are 4, then 2 1s are 2. So 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 is the LCM value for 16. So then 2 to the power 4 whole power 1 divided by 2. 2 to the power 4 whole power 1 divided by 2. Correct. So now let us multiply this as per m into n law. 2 to the power 4 into 1 divided by 2. When you multiply this, how much you will get? 4 halves are 2. 4 halves are 2, or you can do this cancellation also, that is 2 ones are 2 twos are. If you multiply 4 into half, you will get 2. So if you directly cancel also, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So that is 2 into 1 1. 2 into 1 2 you are going to get. You can do in both the way. Getting confusion? Okay. Now multiply 4 into half. When you do this 4 into half, how much you will get? 2 to the power 2. Correct. So if you don't wanted to go like this, if you wanted to go directly, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 2 ones are 2. So 2 to the power 2 is the answer. Both the way, the same answer you will get. So 2 to the power 2, that is 2 twos are 4. So the ultimate answer for this is 4. Okay, so I'm done with problem number 25. So any doubts? So far we could able to solve 6 problems. I believe you don't have any doubts so far. So if you have any doubts, so we'll schedule one particular day or 2 days a week, so that we'll have a doubt clarifying session. So while solving only, you also make a note of such kind of problems, so which and where you have doubt, and keep it ready, underline in a pencil, so that without wasting time when we call, so you can say directly problem number and the doubt wherever you have underlined, so that also you can just get it clarified, so that your doubt will be cleared immediately. Okay, so feel free to ask your doubts, so don't keep the doubts like that. Be expressive, and if you want, you can share this video with all your friends who are studying in other colleges also. Okay, So we'll come back with one more video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Stay safe and take care of your family members. Bye.